Let's have some forms of verbs for the 9th and 10th class children and also the basic learner of English. The first verb is abuse. Abuse, गाली देना, पिटाई करना. We should say the second form of the verb is abuse is abused, abused. Abuse, गाली देना, पिटाई करना. Abused, abused. Do not abuse your wife. The next verb is accept or accept. Both are correct. Accept, kabul karna, accepted, accepted. He accepted his invitation. Accuse, ilzam lagana, ilzam dhona. Accused, accused. He accused upon him of stealing. Act, amal karna, acted, acted. Act upon my suggestions. Admire, तारीफ करना. Admired, admired. She admired me of my work. Admit, दाखिल करना, मान लेना. Admitted, admitted. He admitted his guilt. उसने अपना कसूर मान लिया, एतराफ कर लिया. Adopt, गोद लेना, इख्तियार में लेना. Adopted, adopted. They adopted a baby. Advise, नसीहत करना. Advised, advised. He advised her for keeping calm. Agree, इत्फाक करना. Agreed, agreed. He agreed to his suggestion. Aid, मदद देना. Aided, aided. They aided the needy or flood victim. Answer, जवाब देना. Answered, answered. Please answer my call. Answer, जवाब देना. Appear, नमूदार होना, महसूस होना, लगना. Appeared, appeared. He appears to be peaceful. Apply, दरख्वास्त देना, apply करना. Applied, applied. We applied for a job last year. We applied for a job last year. Arrange, इंतज़ाम करना. Arranged, arranged. Arrange a welcome party for them. The last verb is arrest, गिरफ्तार करना. Arrested, arrested. The police arrested the thief. That's all for now. Thanks for being with you and just wait for the second part of the forms of verbs. Just wait for the part 2 for the 300 forms of verbs will be soon on here. That's all for now.